What's up with this red John Deere? Oh, it's a Craftsman. Alright, so I thought I'd show you guys this little project I'm working on. It's a client's machine. They brought it in for a tune-up, and also the head gasket was bad. So I got it all apart right now. As you can see, I've been working on cleaning up the gasket surfaces, getting all the old gasket off. So this had an issue where it would be running all right, and then all of a sudden it would start smoking excessively, like like you just dumped oil right in the cylinder. So I took it apart, and sure enough, this is the head gasket that was on it. Flipped over to the inside. Has this little broken spot right here, as you can see, and it looked like it had soot and everything from combustion on it. So that looks like where it failed, and that's also where the chamber for the push rods is. And as you can see right there, that's where that was. So basically that failed. It was letting oil in the cylinder. It was smoking like a banshee. So yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna decarbon it a bit. It's not too bad, honestly. I expected worse. The plug was pretty bad. Don't know how well the camera will pick that up, but yeah, the plug was looking pretty sooty and oily. So cleaning up the gasket surfaces as we speak. Got to decarbon it, and then it'll be ready to go back together. I got the new gaskets over here. Got a head gasket, got a valve cover gasket, as you can see. So it should be good to go once I get those on there. But yeah, this is just a 20 horsepower Briggs Intek, and I do not know how many hours are on it because there's no hour meter on it. I think that's where it should go if it had one. There's a cutout for it there. So that's the little project I'm working on. I wish I knew how many hours are on it. It'd be nice to have an idea of how long it took this head gasket to fail, but it's fairly common in these Inteks, from what I've seen. Yeah, it's definitely not an uncommon issue. So once I get the new one on, it'll be ready to go. Also, I just changed the oil on it too. Put on a new fuel filter, oil filter. So otherwise it's ready to go. I sharpened the blades as well, so I'm going to get this button back up and clean it up just a tad, and it'll be ready to go back to the client. Alright, here's another look at the Craftsman YS4000. I got the new head gasket installed, and it seems to have fixed the oil burning issue, so I'm pretty happy about that. And like I said, I tuned this thing up. It's got a new oil filter, new oil, fuel filter, everything greased, blade sharpened. So it's basically ready to go for spring. Also washed it. And I'm about to deliver it back to the client. Fire it up for you. Thanks for watching.